The top 3 ways to get the most out of your hot tub. Hot tubs are a popular choice all over the world for fun and entertainment. They're also a great way to improve your health and live better. But are you getting the most out of your portable spa? Here are the 3 top ways to get the most out of your hot tub. Top it off for all-weather use of your hot tub. Install your new hot tub under the patio roof or an overhang from the home when possible, even if it means adding one after it is installed. Having the hot tub under some covering gives you more flexibility for using the spa all year round. Portable spas are great even in the coldest weather and provide continued benefit in all 4 seasons, even when it's raining. Have a family and friends night each week. Regular use of your hot tub will give you the most pleasure for your money. If you aren't using it, you aren't getting the most out of it. Plan to use your hot tub regularly for yourself, your friends, and family by planning a regular night for fun around the spa. Don't forget to just relax. Maybe you got a hot tub for the added luxury, as an entertainment space, or to have fun with friends and family. But don't forget to use it for your own personal me time. Sit back in the soothing water and meditate or listen to peaceful music to de-stress at the end of the day or on your day off. So go ahead, take a soak. You deserve it. It's fast, fun, and relaxing. Not only that, it's good for the body, soothes the mind, and can improve your overall health and well-being. To encourage local residents to check out the benefits of using a hot tub to help improve their overall health and well-being, the Spa and Sauna Company is providing free test soaks at all their showrooms. We do recommend, however, that people wanting to schedule their free 30-minute soak call us ahead of time to reserve their spot. To learn more about the benefits of owning a hot tub, pick up our free guide, How to Buy a Hot Tub the Right Way. Just give us a call or go to www.spaandsauna.com.